very extremely kind man. I was happy to meet him. I'm honored by this visit, and I pray for him and pray for the family. He's doing so much for Goa, but also for the whole country, India. I'm sure that the state also will progress. God bless you. Thank you so much.
Visit purpose.
So what is the purpose of visit?
So, sorry, what is the?
What is the purpose of visit?
No, it was a courtesy call. We know each other well. It was a courtesy call, really. And that's the reason. It was been very profitable. I'm happy, and we hope. I invited him to Mumbai when he comes there. To invite me to come even. Really a courtesy call. Yeah.
Archbishop and Cardinal of Mumbai was very close to me prior to my appointment here in Goa, and he visited me. And, 2 years back, when Prime Minister met all the three cardinals in India together, that was the first time such meeting, and I took my own initiative for that, and that's personally known to all the cardinals in India, three. Within short time it will be 5, Hyderabad and Goa. So that maintaining very good relation with everybody. He is so sincere to me, and he is always praying for me. That is why the courtesy call.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.